Happy weekend. Um, this is what we call market outlook for next week. As we all know, this is what we do here every weekend. So, give you what we're looking for the new week. Last week we did something like this as well, and this is what we have been doing. Last week was crazy. All of the peers we decided that we'll be taking everything played out. In case you just joining this trading this market outlook for the very first time, I want to urge you to watch the previous week and see some of our accuracies. Now it has been aligned to our bias. For this week also, we'll be doing similar. And these are the pairs that we'll be looking onto. We want you as well to make money with us for the new week. That is for that. And as touching you, if you are just watching for the very first time and then you are probably not subscribed to this channel, I want to urge you to do so because this is what we do here. And if you like what we're doing, you can of course as well subscribe and of course let's do this together. Aside from that, we also have a family on Telegram where you can always pick up signals, learn, and then of course our mentorship, our signals are free. More importantly, we have what we call VIPs, which is very free. Of course, you want to be part of it, and we will have about 5 to 10 signals daily. And this is what, if it is what interests you, of course, you can join us on Telegram and let's do this together. So, very quickly, let me go into to this class and let's see what we'll be looking at for this new week. As a matter of fact, my first pair is EURJPY. As you all know, um, any analysis we give here are always banging, and of course, banging and banging. And of course, you know that banger, so it's always been a banger. Of course, I'm expecting a reaction on this point to come up here and then come back down back here again. If I'm to buy anything here, I will always cap and pick up my profit here. And then I'm expecting it to react at this point as well, somewhere at this point and come back here. If it shows a similar reaction that it did sometime here, I'm more confident to long because it's gonna be a very long one. Come back here and then without and then rejecting this our cycle level, rejecting this our trend line and giving me some what we call candlestick confirmation entering. I used to tell you guys you cannot just enter because market is at your zone or at your level or whatever you may call it. But if it comes to, I call it area of concentration. So if it comes to that place, you must have further conferences for confirmation. Am I talking somebody? You must have further conferences are the conferences that will determine your entering or exit. Otherwise, the market will kick you out. Am I talking? So that's exactly what I'm looking at for this play. If I take what a possible long buy because it's going to be a long one, just like the one we did here, and a long for about how many pips? Let's measure it. It's about 300 pips, if I'm not mistaken. About 300 pips. Same thing is going to happen again this new week. I'm sorry. It's 200 pips. Yeah, 200 pips plus. Okay, that's 200 pips only. So same thing is about to happen possibly. Yeah, that is if you did what I'm expecting it to do. Otherwise, it will break this trend line and begin to come down here or come down here. That is for that. Aside from that, I also be looking at this baby here. I'm looking at this pair. I'm looking at what we call USDJPY, USD CSF rather, sorry, USD CHF. I'll be looking at a possible sell, a possible short at this point here. At this point here, a possible short at this point here because I consider this level is a very strong level. Is a level what we call area of concentration. I call it area of concentration. The last time we were here, we rejected. Last time we were here, we rejected. So it shows to me that that level is a strong level. As a matter of fact, there should be a reaction at that level. But right now, is not matured. This structure I am seeing is nothing but is nothing but still the number trend. It's still the number buy. Okay, so it must give us a structure that will tell you and that will interpret that, and the candlestick must speak a language for you that I am ready to short. If that language has not spoken yet, you do not try to short. As a matter of fact, it can even break out and begin to go, continue the trend, okay? But I'm looking for a possible reversal at this junction here, somewhere around here. A possible reversal. Once you give me, then I'm ready to show because it's gonna be a long shot. You should all know me. I'm more like an intraday trader. I'm not really a day trader like that because I love to catch it big. Let me just catch it big and let me be done for the week. Am I talking to somebody? If I can catch it 200 pips, 500 pips, 1,000 pips, I'm okay for the week. What I'm looking for again, just catch it big once and I'm done for the week. So that is who I am as a trader. I'm not really a swing. I won't say I'm a swing really, but I believe I am more as an intraday trader. Intraday trader. Am I talking to somebody? So that is for that on USD UC. Not only that, I will be looking at this paper. This is also sweet for me. I really love this so much. This is a sweet one. So I'm still expecting a fall on C card JPY. As you all know, I think I sent this signal in on Friday and it's still loading. Of course, and that reminds me. So if you want to join us on Telegram group, you're always welcome to join us. Last week we had about 14 signals. Everything we run everything. We've been having a winning streak since September, since month of September till this very end. But this very last week, we had just one loss that interrupted our winning streak. We've been having winning streak since September till the month of October. No single loss on the VIP, and our VIP is free. So in case you want to join, click the link below or look at the link around my bio and join us on Telegram so you can have access to our VIP for free and make money for yourself. Am I talking to somebody? So this week, I think we had about 17. We lost just one, which interrupted our winning streak from since September that we've been having the winning streak. At the beginning of September, that we're having winning streak, but it just interrupted this very week with a pair I called USDJPY. Maybe I will do a separate video on that and show you how our winning streak stopped out and how we are able to lose that on GBPUSD. What happens, what we looked for, and what usually happens. What tweeted, what changed the movement, and something that violated some things that we did wrong. I'll show you everything so that you don't do the same mistake. Okay, so watch out for the next video on that our winning streak, what stopped our winning streak video. Okay, so that's for that, guys. So this baby here, I'm still very much expecting this baby to come down to this point here. This is gonna be a very sweet setup for me. I love this so much. So it comes down here, give me a confirmation, entering candlesticks, touching my trend line, touching my cycle level, and of course, touching a very good area of concentration. Aside from that, giving me a candlestick language, Mr. Sam, I'm ready to long. You must be giving me that language. I'm willing to see that language. I'm willing to see that language. Once you speak to me, I can interpret it. If you are good well in interpreting candlesticks, you will not have issues with the market. So I'm very good in interpreting so much well, and I know whenever I speak, and whenever it's ready to move. So I'll be looking for it to long a very long and a sweet one at this junction here. Okay. But right now, if you want to make money right now, just short. Just enter the market and just short because I believe the short is gonna still continue to this very end. Am I talking to somebody? Yeah. So that is for that. And the fourth one is this. I'll also be looking at this baby here. USD card, USD card, USD card, USD card. I was looking at this baby here, USD card, USD card. Right now, it's still a very long market. It's still a very long market. Can you see? Touches my self left, second, my second trend line. I'm starting to touch my third and give a reaction. Am I talking somebody? All right. So I'm expecting to touch that and give a reaction. So I'm looking at a sweet shot here. Right now, it's just a, you can see higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower high rather. Then I'm starting to still do. If you want to make money right now, just enter a buy or allow it to come to this place, then enter buy because the price is gonna come in to this one right here. With the structure I'm saying here, let me do my turn for you and show you clearly. So just enter a buy. Just enter it. Can you see? Can you see? Just enter it buy. Yeah, just enter it buy right now. Just enter it buy right. If you want to make money right now, like right away in the market, once the market is opening, just enter it buy. Okay, am I talking? I'll wait for you to come to rise. You can come to someone else. This is junction. They shoot it back. If you shoot it back, you're gonna be making a burst of money. You're gonna be making crazy money. So I may not be interested in that, or if I'm interested, I may actually trade that on my small account and just scalp the buy and come here. Once it comes here, give me confirmations for shorts. I'm seeing what I needed to see on this level. I used to tell you guys there is what to call candlestick confirmation candle. You can type, you can ask for it. I will send it to you. How to enter trade. We have the templates on the candlesticks you need to see. different time, and this candlestick keep repeating itself over and over and over and over and over. Once you learn them, you'll keep seeing them on the chart. Am I talking? If you need this template, comment down below now. As please send me the templates. Our support will send it to you, or any of our team will ask for your email and send it to your email, so you can always see all these stuff repeating themselves over and over and use it for your entering. So if you guys are good traders, but you don't have good entrance, so are the things you need to learn about your entrance. Am I talking to somebody? So ask for it and let's comment below on this section on this video, and let's know if you need it. If I see as many people that need it, will send it to ask for your email and send it to your email. Am I talking to somebody? Thank you so much for that. So that is for that. And the last one, the last one is GBPJPY, which is the last one I'll be looking at for the week. For the new week, I'll also be looking at for a buy somewhere around here. I'm looking at for a buy, I'm looking at for a long around here. I'm looking at for a long. I believe this baby is still doing a lower low, lower high, lower low, low high. So still do what? A lower low. So now, yes, you do a lower low or an equal low here, but I do not expect it to stop here. Yeah, because this is GBPJPY. It has volume, it has momentum, and lot more. So I expect to still come somewhere around here. Let me show you on my higher time frame. I start my analysis from daily actually. So I try to see come 7 here. So once it comes 7 here, and I'll be looking to long it as well. I'm looking to long it as well and give me confirmation and every other things. I'm looking to long this as well. So this is what I'm looking to do on GBPJPY. Okay, so right now it's just a share. You want to make money right now? Just enter the market and just short, please. Just short right away. Can you see? Just short right away. Just short right away. It's a very nice shot. Just short right away. If I'm to trade this, I'm also be shorting it in this capping level. Just short right away, please. Just short right away. Short right away. Just short right away. So because shorting right away will make you money instantly. Just short right away, and then you'll be making money with GBPJPY. That is all for all of that I have to do for the new week. If you have any questions, please do not forget to leave it on the comment section. And if you have any concern, please as well, let me know the kind of trade that you will be looking at for. Are you also looking at for GP, GDP, JPY, EURJPY, USD card as well as I'm looking at for it for the new week? Let me know also what you're looking at for the new week and comment in the video below. Thank you so much for joining me once again and have a wonderful weekend, guys. Bye for now. Peace out.